Hi, my name's Kate. I'm the editor of Knit Now magazine and I'm here to show you a little look inside issue 91 of Knit Now, which is this one. It's on sale from Thursday the 26th of July in the UK and online from More Mags and in digital edition from Pocket Mags. So let's take a little look inside. So here we have issue 91. It comes with two really great gifts. The first of which is this bumper weekend knits kit. This is actually the biggest kit we've ever done. There's loads of yarn in here. So we've been able to do loads of different patterns with it. So the second gift you get is this book of 10 quick knits to make with your kit. And those are all here on this side of the table. We've got our Wind in the Willows toys designed by Sachi, and also several little cute accessories, headband, there's mitts, there's a cowl. We've managed to get a whole little baby garment out of this kit. There's some mug cozies in there. There's loads and loads of patterns to choose from to make with your kit, depending on what your tastes are. So let's take a look at the magazine itself. You can't help but have noticed our little friend here, Sean the sheep. You'll see him here on the cover as well. We've got an exclusive pattern to knit your very own Sean. And I've made a separate video to give you some tips and tricks on that as well, so keep your eye out for that. So let's take a look inside the magazine. Here's your contents page, which shows you everything that's in the magazine. That's our expert team there, a little bit of news, some advice from our experts to help you with your knitting, some of the best books on the shelves this month. Here's our pattern for Sean. As you can see, it's a nice short pattern, really, really easy to follow. I wrote this specifically to keep it really simple so that if you are teaching your little ones to knit, you can give them the straight, easy pieces while you do perhaps the shaping on the face and things like that. This beautiful cardigan, as you can see, all of our garments go up to a 5X, which is about a size 36 in UK high street sizes. Sweet little knits for kids. Again, you can see in our sizing tables, this one goes from 1 year to 8 years. Our editorial assistant Liam had a chat with Abby from Luxury Yarns to find out all about her yarns, and we've got a beautiful shawl designed by Sue Gleave in yarn from Peak District Yarns, and that's over here. It's really, really gorgeous, this one. It's our indie focus, a list of great indie dyers who you might want to check out. We're still running this really amazing subscription offer, so when you subscribe to Knit Now, you get a full set of Knit Prosings interchangeables, which is worth £50, so you can't really argue with that. Our knit along blanket continues. Some nice shopping inspiration. This really beautiful jumper from Annie Howard. Nice flowy shape to that, really easy to wear. Little, if you love sheep, then you're going to love these socks as well. And they're in a DK weight as well, so they're nice and quick to knit. Some pattern inspiration for you. This is our Weekend Wonders section where we have a few quick knits. So if you want some instant gratification knitting, there's a hat, some little tea light cozies, a really gorgeous cowl, which is here. An offer for our new sister magazine, Your Crochet and Knitting. Pattern from our archives here. We just wanted to bring this one back because it's not available anywhere else. Some more shopping inspiration, really beautiful yarns here. This super cute little cat toy that you can dress up as Cinderella. So she has her ball outfit and her little apron outfit as well. It's really, really cute. We had a chat with Sarah Alderson, very talented designer. It was great to hear from her. Another beautiful garment, again in sizes 6 to 36 in a really beautiful, very affordable yarn from King Cole called Finesse, which is a blend of cotton and silk, perfect for this weather. That beautiful Rowan advert. Love those shots. Another update on our Heart to Heart campaign, which is all about well-being and mental health and how you can use knitting and crochet to help you. Cute knit for kids again in ages 3 to 12 with some step-by-steps to help you along. Lovely shawl here, really simple pattern, this one, very easy to remember, great for some TV knitting. A little catch up from around the country from your knitting community. It's our listing of shops all around the UK. A little shout out to our other sister magazine, Crochet Now. This is our review, where we get real knitters to have a go with some of the yarns that are out there and let us know their views. So this isn't my opinion, it's their opinion. And there's swatches here to help you see how the same stitch pattern knits up on a few different yarns. Beautiful scarf here in West Yorkshire Spinners Illustrious by Kristen Tendike. Then, as ever, we have our easy to follow basic knitting instructions, fab giveaways this time, really beautiful yarns that you can win from Three Bears, West Yorkshire Spinners and King Cole. And a quick look at our next issue. Some of these, I know it's still July, but we're already looking ahead to Christmas. So our next issue will come with a Christmas book. And then that's my little roundup from the Knitter of the Year Day when we went to Serdar. So that's it. That's issue 91, which is on sale from Thursday the 26th of July. Hope you like it. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that little flick through. I hope you saw something that you like. If you want to let us know what you thought of this video, of the magazine, just leave us a comment, send us a message. We always love to hear from you. Thanks.